Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to organize contacts in Mailchimp. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. Properly organizing your contacts is essential for effective email marketing campaign and maintaining a well-managed subscriber list. With Mailchimp's robust contact management feature, you could easily categorize and segment your contacts for targeted messaging. Now, before I talk about how you can manage your contacts, I'm first going to talk about how you can gain contacts. Now, adding contacts to your list is very easy. There's two ways. There's the direct way by going to the audience section over here, the audience dashboard. You could add your contacts manually. By simply clicking on add your contacts over here, we will be redirected to this page wherein we will be able to see all the different features or all the different ways to be able to add contacts into our list. Now, the first option is to import it from another service. We could add contacts automatically from tools that we already use. We can also upload a file, import contacts from a CSV or a tab delimited text file. Or we can simply copy and paste it into a new contacts form from a spreadsheet or a similar list, depending on what method or what location your list is found in. And you can simply click on continue over here, which would allow you to add all the contacts listed through the different options that you have over here. Now, the other method is to simply earn it by creating campaigns or different types of features that is available in Mailchimp. Now, by clicking on the create option, you will be able to see all the different features or all the different things that you could use and create to be able to create a contact list or gain contacts through these different methods. Now, you have your landing page and sign up forms over here, the basics of how you could get more contacts into your list. You could create a landing page which would collect contacts, promote a product, or offer a discount. You can also create a website and then add the specific features like the sign up page. You could create a sign up form as well. As you can see here, there are three forms. You could create an embedded form, which would allow you to add an embedded form to your website to collect contacts, or you could create a pop up form, very similar to embedded form, which would allow you to add it to your website and collect contacts as well. And you could simply create a sign up landing page over here, which would allow you to connect new contacts with a sign up landing page and simply share the link that you have created to wherever you would like. And going back to our dashboard over here, you will be able to manage all your different contacts easily. It is also located in the audience section over here. You could edit it through tags, which would allow you to organize them however you need. Or you could also use segments, which would filter the contacts to meet a certain criteria so you can send them targeted messages. Now, you can also go to all contacts over here, which would allow you to see all the different contacts that you have. Right now, I only have one because this is a new account. But as you can see, you could click on manage contacts. You could view archive contacts, unsubscribe address, groups, segments, tags, import histories, audience, exports, contact exports, archive all contacts, and data management tools. These are the different things that you could do to manage your contacts. You can also add contacts, as you can see here, add a subscriber. By clicking this, you will be able to see another way to add, as you can see here, a more manual way, like manually adding their email, first name, last name, address, phone number, location, and tags over here. Now we're going to check out tags later on, but for now we're going to go with our demonstration over here. We're going to continue. We're going to slowly go to our tags later on. You can also see your overview over here, like how many people have subscribed, how many are non-subscriber count, how many unsubscribe, and how many clean contacts over here. You can also check out your audience performance, such as average open rate, average click rate, and like average subscribe rate over here, and your growth in this section. Then you can check it out and compare it with the last campaign, and also check out the different top email clients, top locations. Now you can manage your contacts, subscribe, add, add contacts. You can also check out the subscriber preferences over here. As you can see right now, there's none, but you could add groups to forms. You could click on settings over here. You could have an audience name and default, GTRP fields and settings, public settings, audience fields, required email footer content, email banner, beamer, Google Analytics, and webhooks over here. These are the different settings that you could meddle with that is related to your contacts. Now we could also check out tags over here. Remember, the tags is to organize our contacts. Right now we don't have any tag yet. So we could create our tag by simply clicking on create tag over here on the top right. You could also create a bulk tag contacts over here. By clicking on create tag, you can simply name it. For example, we could say dog lovers. Then click on create. And as you can see, we will be able to create a tag over here. Now, whenever we create or whenever we handle a contact, we can simply add a specific tag over here, which would indicate that the person is a dog lover, and we will be able to know that that person is within the tag over here or added to the tag. And then we could click on preview over here, which would allow you to preview the specific tag that you have just created over here. Now we're simply going to wait for it to load so we can check it out and see what it would look like. And in this section, you will be able to see all the different people that have the specific tags so that you could easily manage them and organize them however you want. For example, you would like to organize the cat lovers and the dog lovers and the both cat and dog lovers. You will be able to use the tag as a way to organize your contacts. You can also use segments over here. Segments are like filtering your different categories or your different filters or your different contacts. By simply clicking on create segments over here, you will be able to add a segment name over here. You can do whatever name you want and then simply add the filter that you would like to have. And basically, like I said, the segment is like a collection of filters that you could use to any contacts that you have, to generally all contacts that you have over here. And the way you manage your contacts is completely up to you. As you can see, you could create as many tags as you want. You could create as many segments as you want, depending on how you would like your contacts to be managed and organized. It is depending on the need, and the way you do it is completely up to you. I'm just showing you the way on how you will be able to do it. Now, the most effective one that I think would be effective is the tags over here, because you will be able to group people together by the specific tag that they are assigned to. You can also create a bulk tag contacts over here by clicking this. Let's check it out. The difference between the normal tag and a bulk tag over here. Now let's simply wait for it to load so we can explore it, as you can see. And you can simply put in the name of the tag, and then you can simply upload the file over here of the addresses of the different people that you would like it to be added to. Like for example, you have 10 people and you would like to tag them as like clients or stuff like that. And then you can simply upload their image or upload their email address over here, and then they will be able to be tagged as that specific tag that you have chosen. And that's it, guys. That's how you will be able to manage your different contacts in Mailchimp. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.